It's a vibe, 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 it's a vibe. You should slide, you should slide, you should slide, you should slide. Come on and slide through, slide through. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. You should slide, you should slide, you should slide, you should slide. Come on and slide through.
What's up, y'all? It's No T, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make sauce for y'all seafood. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is cut an onion. You can cut it however you want. I'm gonna just use half of the onion, so I'm gonna cut it in half. And you can cut it how big or small you want it. It's up to you. So this is how much I'm gonna be using in my sauce. Next, you're gonna cut your garlic. You can cut it however you want. Once again, me, I'm trying to mince it. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just cutting any type of way. And I'm really scared because I sliced my finger before cutting some stuff. So I'm a little traumatized. So if you see me just doing anything, that's why. Okay, so this is how much onions and garlic I'm gonna put in my sauce. So let's get into the seasonings. So first I'm doing 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Now with this you could do however much you want, because it's going to make it spicy. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of paprika. That's just to give it like that dark color. 1 tablespoon of accent. 1 tablespoon of whole oregano. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of ginger. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of crushed red peppers. Once again, you don't have to use these if you don't like spicy stuff. 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. I'm just mixing all the seasonings up so y'all can see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it should look. Next, we're going to be making our butter sauce. You need 4 sticks of butter. So put your 4 sticks in a medium saucepan. You can use salted or unsalted. It's up to you. I would probably recommend unsalted. So you want to get your butter melted all the way down before you add your ingredients. The butter is melted, so now I'm going to add my onions and garlic. to bring the butter to a boil before you add your seasonings. So now I'm adding my seasonings. You can put a little bit at once to see how much you want in your sauce, so you can just taste it, or you can just dump the whole thing in. I'm about to just dump the whole thing in. So now I'm turning my fire down, and I'm gonna be adding a few more things. So first I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Hopefully I said that right. A teaspoon of hot sauce. This is optional. Lemon juice. Usually I would use a fresh lemon, but I don't have any, so I'm using lemon juice. I just squeezed, I don't know how much in there, so however much you want. Next, I'm gonna do a cup of water. Now you're just gonna let your sauce cook until your vegetables get like translucent or soft. So this is how the onion should look. Now I'm gonna let it cook a little longer, but I would say the sauce is done now. So now it's time to dump it in a bowl. And your sauce is done. I would let it sit for a few hours or overnight if you want, if you're not using it the same day. It'll probably taste a little better. So that's how you make the sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications if you haven't already. See y'all.
It really was a vibe, yeah, you should've came through. Yeah, you should've came through. It's a vibe.